Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things where you like. Anyway, it is coming up to St. Patrick's Day this weekend, and I mean a lot of Irish people gonna be supporting that, gonna celebrate, they're gonna have a wonderful time, cook a lot of food. But Chef Ricardo does play a part by making a Guinness punch from their Guinness. It is an amazing recipe, it is fantastic, really nice, and I know you guys can love this one. It's just something totally different, it's a little twist to it, guys, and as I say, you can add your ingredients where you like to add to it to give it more flavor. If you want to add more flavor to it, you want to add some alcohol, you can add some more extra alcohol to it, but I just like it very simple and easy. I just make it like the Jamaican way, Guinness punch. Anyway, 500 likes, 500 comments will be brilliant for me, and I know you guys will be having a wonderful time, so enjoy yourself this 17th, which is St. Patrick's Day this weekend, guys. So we use the Guinness to make a Guinness punch, and it is lovely. I love it, I like it, I taste it, it is fantastic. And I will say, give it a try, you know what I mean, give it a try and see what you think about it. Leave your comments below, and you know what I mean, enjoy yourself this weekend with St. Patrick weekend day. Alright, guys, see you next time. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. My name is Chef Ricardo, and as we guys say, we always have a lot more recipe coming out for you. See you next time. Remember, go subscribe straight through to show you how you can make yourself a nice the Irish Guinness to make a Guinness punch. We all know that Jamaican always making Guinness punch. I'm gonna give it a lovely twist, a fantastic twist. But what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna go straight through it and show you exactly what you need to do. So this weekend, you know that it is, you know what I mean, it is St. Patrick's Day, and a lot of people gonna be, you know what I mean, gonna be celebrating and having a wonderful time, having a fantastic time, even in England now. So what we're going to do, I'm going to be using the Irish Guinness. This one is the Irish Guinness, very good, you know what I mean. Basically, if you buy one of these small bottle one in the supermarket or your local shop, you can read all of the information on the Guinness to tell you where it make, and you know what I mean, what inside of it and all these things. This one's similar like the Jamaican one, but this one is from Ireland. So what we're going to do, we're going to be using this one to make a Guinness punch for St. Patrick's Day, and I know you guys are going to love it. I'm going to be doing a little twist to it also, and hopefully you will enjoy the full recipe. Alright, so first thing, let's go into business. I'm going to be opening this Guinness, and what I want to say to you, a lot of people, when you're making Guinness punch, please do not use a whisk like this one, the silver one. Please use a plastic whisk. It's really better for you to use on making Guinness punch. The only reason why I'm using the glass, I will normally use like a plastic container to make the Guinness in it, because I want you guys to see exactly what is taking place. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to be pouring my Guinness right straight inside of this right here. I'm going to give you a lovely twist for St. Patrick's Day. So normally, Jamaica normally make their Guinness punch, but we're not going to be using the Jamaican Guinness. We're going to using the St. Patrick, the island, the Irish Guinness. You know what I mean? It is just amazing recipe. Anyway, so we already poured that lovely Guinness inside of it. So what we want to say, next thing what you need to do is to get a nutriment. Nutriment, you can get that at the local shop, supermarket to buy, and it is very cheap. I get this one for 99p, less than a pound. So you still save a penny same way. So you can get this one in the shop to buy. Give it a good shake. Now all you need to do is open it up, it just like this, and pour. I'm going to be using roughly about half of it with the Guinness. Nice one. And I'm going to be popping a little bit of cinnamon inside of it. Not too much of the cinnamon, because cinnamon is very strong. And I'm going to be popping a little bit of the grated nutmeg inside of it, roughly half teaspoon of nutmeg. So this is the grated one. It's gonna be a really fantastic twist towards this one, guys. And you know what, we all know that Guinness punch is all about the Guinness, you know what I mean? A lot of people, you know what I mean, when they make their Guinness punch, they make it different way. But we all know that Guinness punch is just all about Guinness. So basically, I'm going to be putting some vanilla, roughly a teaspoon of vanilla inside of it. Lovely and nice. And so we're going to be sweetening it, like putting some sweet condensed milk. So as I can see so far, I start to... So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to be using some sweet condensed milk and sweetening it. Nice one. And it's looking so lovely and nice. So basically, let's give it a taste to see exactly what's going on. That is perfect. Honestly, guys, not because I'm making it, but this one is really nice. I like the Guinness. I never drink Irish Guinness before, so it's really nice. I like this. This is really good. Seriously, this one is really nice. I enjoy this one. Alright, so basically, as I can see, exactly what took place right there, as I said, guys, is just coming up to St. Patrick Day on the 17th of this month. March the 17th, it is St. Patrick Day. And it is, you know what I mean, a lot of Irish people are going to be supporting St. Patrick Day. They're going to be cooking all different kind of dishes, you know what I mean. So what did I just do? A Jamaican twist towards the Guinness, used by using, you know what I mean, the Irish Guinness to make the Guinness punch. So it is just amazing recipe and it is fantastic. So what we want to do, we just want to share it out to make to see how it look inside of the glass. I have a glass right over here, and what I'm going to do is simple pour it inside of my glass and make you guys can see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about right here. And it's lovely, it's nice, I like it. So basically, as you can see right here, guys, this is it right there. And it is St. Patrick Day, the 17th of this month, and I make a Guinness punch with a little twist towards it. Really nice. So what I'm going to do now is just pour. What you can do, if you're gonna know, you can put this in the fridge and make it chill for a good, you know what I mean, 2 hour or hour. But we're not gonna do that now. We're just gonna be pouring out it just like this, and make you guys can see exactly how this is looking so lovely and nice. And also you can serve it with a lot of ice if you like ice, but I'm not gonna be serving it with no ice. I'm just gonna be leaving it natural like that. And look at that, that is just fantastic and nice, guys. I know you guys will love that one. Really nice and lovely. So it is St. Patrick Day and we make a Guinness punch from the Guinness to see what's the difference on the 17th of this month. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe, very easy and simple. Basically you can put your own twist to it if you want to put some alcohol in it, but I just make it simple and nice. You can put some alcohol to it, you can put a lot more different ingredients if you like to. I'll just make something very simple just to put in my pot. So guys, enjoy, subscribe, like and share, and thank you so much for watching my show. See you next time. Bye bye.